Culture is heart of humanity. It's made up of traditions, beliefs, and practices, which shows who we are and where we come from. From the busy markets of Marrakesh to peaceful temples of Kyoto, culture shapes our identities and connects us to our roots. Welcome to Afghanistan, a land of ancient traditions and vibrant culture. In this video, I will be introducing you to Afghani culture, so stay tuned.
Afghanistan's history is a mosaic of influences from various civilizations, including the Persians, Greeks, Mongols, and Mughals. Each has left an indelible mark on the country culture landscape. Music and dance are integral to Afghan culture. The haunting melodies of the rabab and the rhythmic beat of the tabla tells a story of love, loss, and reliance. Afghan artisans are renowned for their craftsmanship, from the intricate design of hand-woven carpet to delicate pattern of pottery and jewelry. Afghan art reflects the country's rich heritage. Festivals and celebrations are a vibrant part of Afghan life. Nowruz, the Persian New Year, marks the arrival of spring, while Eid brings families together in joyous celebration. Afghan cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors and aromas. Each dish tells us a story of land and its people, from the savory mantou to sweet delight of a baglawa and sheerbera. Each food tastes heavenly